Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home, and today I'm going to show you how to make Niu Rou Mian Taiwanese beef noodle soup, or in Korean we call II Mian. So yeah, let's get started. This recipe is actually super easier than you think. First, we are going to toast our spices. For the spices, you will need 2 bay leaves, 2 large cardamom, 3 slices of licorice, 2 star anise, 1 tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorn, teaspoon of fennel, 1 tablespoon of goji berries. If you want to, you can add some, cinnamon sticks too, but I just decided to skip it because I don't have it. Place all of these spices in a dry pan and toast them over medium heat for a couple minutes or until you can smell the beautiful fragrance. So already makes me hungry. Add toasted spices into a spice bag. Now I'm going to cut 2 beef shanks. Beef shank is actually the traditional cut for this recipe, but if you cannot find beef shank at your local grocery or butcher shop, you can use stew meat or beef chuck. Beef chuck will actually do the job too. Blanch the beef in boiling water for 1 to 2 minutes. This way, we are not gonna lose any flavor, okay? Don't worry, we're not losing any flavor, but we're gonna lose the excess blood that we do not want in our soup. Quickly drain the beef and wash the pot real fast because we're gonna continuously keep using this pot. Set aside the beef and heat the pot over high heat. I'm using a quart pot. Add 6 tablespoons of oil, 15 cloves of garlic that crushed, 2 large slices of ginger, about 2 ounces, half of large onion that sliced, and 4 to 5 green onions just broken in half and put it in. Stir fry all together about a minute or until you can smell the aroma from garlic, onion, and ginger. Then go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of doubanjiang, Chinese chili bean paste, and a large piece of rock sugar. If you don't have a rock sugar or hard to find, go ahead and click down below. I will put the link down below where you can purchase online. Nowadays, who doesn't do internet shopping? Just add the rock sugar on your what do you call it? The shopping cart. Stir fry the sauce and the rock sugar about a minute with the vegetables. Right now, go ahead and add half cup of soy sauce and half cup of rice wine or Shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon of dark soy. So dark soy sauce is actually for the color. So if you don't have it, you can just skip it. It's completely fine. And half teaspoon of salt. Stir fry all this soy sauce and the rice wine and the vegetables and the doubanjiangs, everything together. This way we can really create deep flavor base for this soup. And then we are going to add the blanched beef, 2 large tomatoes that I cut up into large chunks, and 2 teaspoons of beef bouillon. Stir all together so this way the beef will absorb all the flavor first. So the beef itself will be already super duper flavorful and delicious. Finally, pour 14 cups of water. And the spice bag. Bring it to boil over high heat without the lid. When it starts boiling, cover and reduce the heat to medium low and simmer for 1.5 hours. My kitchen smells fantastic right now. It's like this whole entire house smells like Taiwan. When I was in Taiwan, when I walked in that restaurant, So anyways, my soup is about 10 minutes out to finish. I'm going to bring a medium pot of water to boil to cook the noodles and bok choy. Remove the bok choy and I'm going to cook my noodles for this Niu Rou Mian. Today, I choose to use this fresh wheat noodles. You can find these noodles from local Chinese or Asian grocery stores. We were able to find in H Mart in Dallas area, but if you cannot find this fresh wheat noodles, you can definitely use a dried one too, or any of your favorite noodles. Cook the noodles by following the direction of package. Drain the noodles, place it in a serving bowl. add soup to the bowl along with the chunks of beef and tomatoes. Garnish with chopped green onions and cilantro. And we're done. This recipe will make 6 to 8 bowls or more depending on how hungry you are.
You even hold this
Yeah.
to taste it? No, you can't.
아이시대로.
Hot to go!
Yes.
So hot, this little bowl. Normally you wouldn't taste it like this.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
You will taste this hot.
Yeah, but you're not gonna hold this bowl like in your palm of your hand. I asked her if we could wait a minute to let it cool down, and she said, "Come on, it's not that hot."
No, I said nah.
So, if you haven't done so already,
Some
go
beef
get
tender.
your Noodles shirt. There's pink.
Are you wearing noodle shirts?
There's
Yeah.
a gray on black. There's the white on black. Black on black. Go get it. Oh, you can't get the pink one though. Those are exclusive. I'm gonna drink this.
Oh, it is hot.
Usually,
That is so good.
in Taiwan,
Nice little kick.
they serve this with preserved mustard green. But we don't have it today, so the meat is so tender. Okay, I like my beef tendon, not tendon,
Tendon?
beef shank tender, like melt in your mouth tender.
That's really. Oh my god. It's so hot, but it's so good. So good. So good.
Again, too spicy.
Trying to be careful.
Is it
Don't eat this hot soup in this little bowl and hold it up to your face like this.
It's for the show. This is
Spills
for
on
the
your
show.
lap.
Honestly, I feel like I could add like a little teaspoon of MSG here.
It doesn't need it though.
Guys, if you liked my Niu Rou Mian beef noodle soup, Taiwanese beef noodle soup, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations idea. I'm sorry, I have something on my lips. And subscribe my channel for my more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching us today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longest.
I'm Jacob Longest.
I'm Han Yo Kim.
And this is Asian at Home. And we'll see you next time. Bye! Mwah.
Mwah. This is so good. Like,
Pepper
so delicious. I just wish I had a bigger bowl of it. Burn the finger.
Pepper.
After 3 bites?
Yeah, before that, I ate all the kimbap.